Hello folks, this is Vijay Shah. Do a little bit about GrooveSell. GrooveSell is a great marketing platform for mainly selling digital products, coaching and consulting services, just like ebooks, uh, like a software products, digital products, and also if you are selling, doing coaching or consulting services. Uh, GrooveSell lets you create your web pages with a what you see, what you get drag and drop editor, as well as it also lets you to create marketing funnels. It has also PayPal and other payment kind of options that you can choose to sell your products. At present, GrooveSell is in beta development stage and developers are giving away free account for lifetime for a limited time only. And if you have already created free account, then great. Or I have provided a link in the description below so you can create your free account. Once you create your free account, you will get a confirmation email from GrooveSell. Once you do that, then go on your browser to log into your funnel or GrooveSell account. So type in your browser appapp.groovefunnels.com and enter or return and your password, of course, and log in. And you will see here a beautiful dashboard or your back office, where you can see here first is left hand arrow that shows you this part you will be using it, the group funnels, which includes group pages and GrooveSell. So if you want to upgrade, here is the option. Now if you have free account, then you will see here at the top upgrade button, red or pink upgrade button. So you can, if you want to upgrade, you can go and upgrade from there. And if you want to learn more about upgrade, here it shows learn more and you can look at that. And if you want to become affiliate, here is the affiliate program. It gives you all the details, so check it out that. It also allows you for the payment GroovePay, also PayPal and other payment options. You can check it out about GroovePay here. And if you have already business and if you are looking for an advertisement and agency, here is some good place to find out about advertising. And here is the last one is a training. It's a Groove Academy where they provide you weekly training. So you can click here. Let me show you. Click there and you can create your account here. Groove Academy. That will provide you a training every week. And now I want to show you how to create a web page. A website could have a web page one or more. So your site could have one or more pages. So we're going to create a web page here. So click here, group pages, and you will come to this page. Well, see, I have created here 1, 2, 3 kind of pages, and I'm going to delete this one here right now. So to delete here, click here, and it will show you delete. So click delete here, and there is a handle here, so the slider here, so you want to click here. It is very light, so you want to make sure that you find the right place and click there and turn it on, and then say delete, and that will delete your page there. So now I have two pages left here which I have created. Now let's create a new one. How to create new page? So here click on the new page here on right hand top side, says new site. So click there, and it will give you for a blank template or several ready-made templates. So let me show you here. There are beautiful templates here that you don't have to work a lot, and you can pick any of these pages. Like if you're going to sell or give away ebook, let's see here preview, and it will show you a ebook. So you can change the titles and write up here, and of course you want to make sure that you put a legal pages here. So that's the one example, and let's click it here, and there are several nice here. You can see that this one is good here. So let's say preview that one, and see here pre-video if you are giving away free video, and then you can ask here their name and email address. If you want, you can add your subscriber page there, and then you can show one video, and you can give, once they subscribe, you can give them a few more video or training or software, etc. So this is another example. Then you can look at, there are several different nice examples here. This one is with the video and more content you want to put it in there. You can do that. Like you have several up here. There's another one. If you want to see here, similar to what we saw before. And if it loads up here, let's see that one, and see here it is. So here for group pages, and then you can put your headline here. See here, this is a preview. So when you select that page, you will be able to change that, and I'll show you that, just that. So let's go ahead. We can create from the template, but I think we want to start with the blank page, so you get a better idea, because this will be easier then. So let's start with the blank page here. Click on the blank page template, and it will come up with the blank canvas. So here is, we will create our web page, right? So what is in a web page? Usually they have a header. So you have a header, and then you have a content here, whatever content you want to put it here, and then a footer where you can put your whatever you want to put it, your social media icons, your website domain name, and the legal pages over here. So this is a canvas, and this canvas here is the 1, 2, 3. Those are blocks. You can create a blocks here. So if you click on the blocks here on left hand side, so there are pre-made designed blocks. These are designed blocks, has already some content here, like say it has like already designed, like here blue block, and has a written. Let me approximately show you how it will look like. So if you drag this one over here and put it here, and it will show you how it is here, that you can put a picture over here, you can write up here some text, you can write it over here. So you can do that. Now if I want to delete this, I just click on top somewhere here, and it will show you that. And then here is a trash icon, and this is a duplicate, and this one takes you up and down if you have several blocks. If you want to bring it up, if you have another block here. So if you want to delete this block, let's say delete right now. So go here in the middle and click the slider, turn it on, and then confirm, and that block will be gone. Now let me show you on other blocks. There are several different blocks here, features, footers. There are different kind of footers here, all kind of with the like a social media icon, etc. But we're going to go with the blank empty blocks here, empty containers. These are the best if you are starting from scratch, and if you want to play with that. So I'm going to show you like for like an ebook template we saw just like that. So we could create something like it. So that you can put here image and write up here somewhere. So bring it over this one and put it over here. So now we have this block here where you can put a picture in your content. But we want to put over a header too. So do the header. Either we can put it a empty container there, or we can, let me show you, we can take a design like header or something. Let's see if we can. We take this like this, another one. See if it takes it or not. Sometime. Okay, here. You drop here. Build blog. Okay, so now you have a header there, and then you have another these two blocks. Now this one we will put a image like a ebook or something. So let's go there. So these are blocks which contains whatever the information you have, and now we're going to put the element. The block has a container, and container has the blocks has a containers, and containers has elements. So you remember that. So if you look at all the ready-made elements, we can put an image or all different kind of. If you want to put a card header, or if you want to put it like if you want to divide this in a two columns kind of things. So we will go and look at some more here different elements. So if you want to put like some kind of icon and write some uh, text, you can drag that one down there and put it over there. Let me show you here. So we can put this one down there and put it over there. So you see that here it says this is an icon list item, and this one once you select that whole thing, turn up the slider, and it's a text here, and you can write down. This I will show you later on when we put image. So here you can change this one. So you can say instead of that, you can say this book, something like some kind of, let's say this is ebook is about affiliate marketing. So we'll say 5 ways of doing affiliate marketing. All right, then you can also do that if you select this one, and you can also double this t for text. You can change that. See, I say 5, I say it percentage. I type it wrong, but we can correct that. So I'll go and correct that one, and I'll say 5 ways. Okay, now we can select this thing whole, and we can duplicate. This is a duplicate. So if you duplicate, it will duplicate this icon, but we didn't want to do. So we'll just take that one out, and we'll say delete up, and you can slide it, do that, and delete. It might delete. So see, deleted now. So that's the way it is. And now see, you can also duplicate that, but if you click here somewhere around, you want to see duplicate the whole thing. So you want to, this is icon, now it changed. So you want to make sure it highlights the whole thing. See, like that. And then you say duplicate, it's going to duplicate here the second and third and fourth, etc. You can duplicate, and then you can also text and change that. 5 ways to affiliate market. Now we can say 5 networks you can join. anything your book covers, you can put it over highlights so people know what the book is all about. Now let me show you, we want to put a image here, so we'll go in elements and look for the image element. Where is it? Let's see here. This I already show you that, so we can look at the image element. Here is the image element, so drag and drop there and put it over there. So we put it here there, and now we have image element. So now click it over here, click it in here between. So now we want to put an image over here. So we want to say design, and we want to turn on the slider. Okay, and we want to configure. So here you go and configure. So when you click that configure, it will give you a image icon that will be going over here. Now we have to choose the image. So click here, choose the image, and it's going to look at in your library. Now if you don't have an image in the library, you can upload the image from here. So click here and upload the image, and it will be over here. Once you click on that, you will see your image there. So I already have an image here, so I'm going to say for the book, this is the book image, so I'm going to choose that. Look at that, and then it says you want to update the dimensions. So I'll say, yeah, go ahead and let's update the dimensions. Click here, and you'll see it's already saved. So dimensions are already saved and corrected. So now select this image. So click here, and now you can see it's selected that image. Now when you update that image, you will be able to see it here. So now let's update, and voila, you see that image, beautiful image here there. And this is now ebook, and now we can go back and get the blocks again, and we can let's see, we get another footer block here. Let's take footer. So let's see another one. We can choose this one and bring it down here, put that here. So now now we got a footer block here. Now before the footer block, we can also take another block, another one. Okay, let's put it over here. So same thing, we have to do it now. So drag it down and put it over here and see if it keeps that way. There you go. So sometimes we play with that. That's the fun part about it. Now this block has here your domain name. You can say change that. So you can click on that one, click that one, and it says a text tree, and you can keep that copyright if you want to. You can say here, yeah, and just delete, and just type over there space your domain.com. So there you got your domain name there. Or if you want to get rid of totally that, you can always get rid of that. Alright, you can get rid. Now instead of that, if you want to put it, so you can do anything you want to write in that block, or you want to put your form, like say go in elements, and let me show you that too. If you want to put a subscriber form, so if you have a MailChimp, Aweber, Active Campaign, anything, you can just drag that over there. So let's say take a Aweber form and just put it over here. So once you put it, see, you have now web form, and I'll show you how to configure the web form in the next video. But let's go and show you some more few things here. So now you can also change here if you click on over here. All right, you can click there, and you can also configure the logo. If you have a logo for your website. You can configure same way I show you image. You can choose the image, like say I will choose and show you like this is the logo, so I'll click this one, uh, and the logo is there. Now you can update the dimensions, and once it's done I select that logo, and logo is here, and I'm going to say update, and you're going to see the logo is over. So now you got your website logo here. Now if you don't want home, you can always do that and uh, edit that too, or you can delete it. You can delete that. See here, you can delete that totally completely if you don't want that. And let's see here, confirm. So you can delete now. So now you know the basic web form, uh, basic page is done. You can do more sophisticated as much as you want to. Here you can put a legal pages. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here you can do the legal pages by, like say here you can also change your domain name.com in your domain dot, and then also you can say your social icon. Now if you want to do a social icon, you click on that, and then you have to configure it. Same way configuration works, where your LinkedIn icon, then you can say here link to, and link to your say URL, and then you can put your LinkedIn URL there, and then update and save it, and that way your link for LinkedIn is already there, so people can contact you on LinkedIn. Same way Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Vimeo, etc. Whatever social icons, you put it there. Now I want to put it here. Legal pages important, so I want to show you that. So go and elements, and you can go and find the easiest way I like to do is get a HTML code, embed the HTML code. So here it says code embed. So bring it that, put it in like here. So I put it that is embed code. So when you do embed code, and if you click on that, see first one, there you click it where it will allow you to put your HTML code. So you can put any HTML code there, but we're going to put it for the legal pages. Now I have a legal pages HTML code. I'm going to here just copy it from here. It's not this one. This one I copy it. Control C. I copy that. I lower it down. Reduce, and then we'll just copy it and paste it here. Control V will paste it, your HTML code for your legal pages. Now you can say save, save. So that's the, now say save, and now we're going to look at it saving again, and then we'll say look at that, see if it shows us. And there you go. See, you see that GoBizBiz.com, all right, reserved, and your anti-spam and privacy and all that. So now you can see that your privacy policies and disclaimers and earning disclaimer, etc. So this is the way you make the page. And now we're going to get out of this here, and we come to here, and this is where you change your background colors, etc. So if you want to change the background colors in this area, you can go in background here, and you can change the background here. Like say if you want to make it green background, let's say here I want to make this one green, probably, so skip that, let me do it. Backgrounds, instead of white I will say green. Say I take it lighter green, see it makes light. I want to say red, it makes red. You want to make a subscriber red, you can go a subscriber, and background, and you can change the red. See, this is where you can change any color for the forms. You want to add here a text, you can add a text and change the text. You can here also say get your ebook, or you can say click here. And I will say for your ebook. So this is the web page is done now, and you just save again. Now if you make any mistake here, you can always go back here, the back button. So if you make change, and if you made it wrong, you can go back and correct it again. You can do that too. So now let's go and look at the web page. How does it look now? So here is the web browser, you can see, and now you have a complete web page, and it has a name, your name, website, and all that. So now you know how to do the web page. Now in next video, this is too long, so in next video I will show you how to connect your web page with your domain name, custom domain name, or you can use, so when you're going to publish here, you can have your own domain name here. If you don't, it uses GroovePage's domain name, just like here it says subdomain name, which you usually take your page name, or you can choose any of the small 4 or 5 letters kind of things. Keep it short, that, and then groovepages.com, and it will give you your page URL. But you can always use your custom domain. I'll show you that in the next video. Have a good day. Enjoy, guys. Thanks.